Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again with another amplifier repair. Well, I've already finished repairing this amplifier. I'm just gonna give you guys a walkthrough of what I did. So this amplifier is this is the first I'm seeing amplifier like this. The first, yeah. This is new to me, so I don't know if anybody out there, the other know anything about this amplifier. It's just I don't know. I look it up online. I don't see nothing about this amplifier. So it says a JCA750.1, and then here it says JUNK junk. It's only the circuit board. It's audio Legion, because I have an audio Legion and everything matches. The cap, same brand cap, toroid transformer, everything, power supply, switching board, everything. This is same, everything is the same output. And it used this to scratch off the driver here. For this driver IC, yeah, you know, they scratch off the numbers for some strange reason, which is, I see it as dumb for companies to do that, because somebody's gonna figure it out anyway. So, you know, it doesn't make any sense, and we're gonna share it. You know, we have YouTube, we have the internet, stuff goes out, you know, and well, I'm not afraid to share stuff with people. You know, a lot of people share stuff with me. So yeah. So these driver ICs, the IRS 21844S. Okay, so if you ever get one of these, don't worry, you know, too much about what it is and stuff like that, you know, but that's it. So yeah, let me just make sure. We have 7 pin, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I have some here, you know, for who can get these. I'll, you know, maybe I'll help you guys out, you know. I have a bunch of them. I have like, you know, I think I have like about 30 or more, but you know, yeah, that's how it goes, man. You know, we have to share the information, because a lot of time I look on YouTube for information, I can't find any. So, you know, I understand. So, you know, you have to share to get. So that's how it goes, you know. So, but this user, this cap is like 160 volts at 820 UF or 820 microfarad, and yep, and these up here, you know, there's for the output here, this TL074. Yeah, it uses, let me see what it uses, like TL071, 2, 3, 4, 5. It uses 5 of them. And let me give you a front view of this amplifier. As I said, it's an audio Legion circuit board. Alright, and then this is and it's now, I didn't explain to you guys the problem I was having with this. So I got this in earlier today, and the problem with this amplifier was like, it powers up but no audio was coming from it. So I check around, output, everything is okay, power supply MOSFET, everything is okay, output MOSFET, everything is okay, cap good, this cap good and everything. But it has a cap right here, this cap right here beside this relay. The funny thing is, the relay switch on and everything and it sounds like it's okay, but you plug the audio to it, it plays, but it plays really low, and you know, your audio can't hear anything from the bass unless you put it, you know, your ear to the speaker right where the speaker is at, and you know, you could hear it mumbling. And I realized, you know, I was like, I think this is I have this a problem with another one like this before. I did a video for, yeah, audio legion circuit board. And this cap is a 250 volts at, let me see, 250 volt 10 microfarad or 10 UF. Yeah, it is. So the problem, this was the problem, and I replaced it and then plug it up and everything. Amplifier is playing really strong and everything is okay. So guys, if you ever have a problem like that, man, this cap right here, 250 volts 10 microfarad or 10 UF, yeah, it could be a problem right there, or something leading to it and stuff like that. Because I realize sometimes I pop the amplifier, it really doesn't click on, it doesn't click. And I have a little thing I do with relay sometimes. I don't know why I do this, and I get something and tap it a little and it clicks. And then at one point I remember I touched like the cap like this and it clicks, and then they come up, the other come up, and I switch it out really quick because I didn't know if it's gonna, you know, send voltage to it or whatever. But it was okay, just the audio was going through at that time. But yeah guys, if you ever have a problem like this cap here is 250 volt 10 microfarad, replace it. That was the only problem with this amplifier. And I was thinking about replacing the driver IC and all that, you know, but I didn't have to do all that with this amplifier. Just this cap right here and everything was okay, you know. And but I'm gonna tell you now, and the funny thing I found out with this amplifier is like the power supply MOSFET and the output MOSFET is a weird, I've never seen this. And I was, yeah, when I look up like parts, I see this number of MOSFET, the part number, and the part number for the power supply MOSFET is IRF 70N06. IRF 70N06. And for the output MOSFET is 27N25. And I was like, wow, you know, yeah, that's a different, because I used to the FB38N20, but you know, this one was for the output was a 27N05 for the output. But don't worry guys, you know, these have a lot of outputs can work for this. Don't worry about it, man. I can use even the 38N20 for this output and stuff like that. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. And for the power supply, I use like 30 IRF 3205 and stuff like that. Or you could still use the 44N. IRF 44N works. Don't worry, you know, and stuff like that. But you know, but it's a really decent amplifier. To tell you the truth, I like this circuit board. You know, it's a really Korean made circuit board from what I understand. Yeah, it's a lot of amplifiers use this similar circuit board to this one, so you know, yeah, it's similar. But when I realized it's, and you know, from my research, it's Audio Legion, you know, it's Audio Legion circuit board. But when I Google it and everything, I couldn't find anything on this amplifier. I can't find a picture, nothing. I don't know why, and stuff like that. But that's it. It's playing really good and stuff like that, you know. So I'm just letting you guys know. I'm just sharing the information, because you know, you never know when somebody maybe come across something like this. But you know, and I'm sure this is not the only one they made. So you know. But you know, that's a problem. That was the problem with this one, this cap right here, and I replaced it. Yep. You could look at this inductor right here. You could see this one right here was insulator was, you know, it get heated a little bit and the insulator kind of burned off, but it's good. The coil is not chafed or anything, it's good. But and this one is intact, everything is good, but this one is kind of burned up. So you see, yeah, this channel here over this side go through a little pressure than this side over here. So yeah, but everything is good with this amplifier, and just letting you guys know, you know, this was successful repair. I couldn't make a video of it when I was doing it because at first I was pretty. The guy come, he bring like 2 amplifiers. I have another one to do. It's a Phoenix Gold, so I'll make a video of that one, which it's a 4-channel Phoenix Gold, which one of the channel is distorted. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do. Let me show you it real quick. Alright, this is it. It's a really big one. Alright, and that's it. This is Phoenix Gold. So you guys, hold on, let me fix this camera right here. Yep, it's a TI 800.4 Phoenix Gold. So next video is gonna be with this one right here. So I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I work on a lot of Phoenix Gold, but that one is different. So yes, guys. So yep, that's it for this video. And remember, if you ever have a problem like this, it powers up everything, the power light comes on and stuff like that, and no audio. And this was it. The relay wasn't clicking on. Then sometimes the relay do click on, and when the relay do click on, it plays, but it plays, you know, distorted and play really low. So if you have a problem like this, guys, check this cap here, 250 volts, 10 microfarad or 10 euro, whichever way you want to say it, you know. Yeah, so that's it right here. Anyway, in the power supply, let me tell you, the power supply filter is 25 volts, 3300 UF. I'm using like 6 of them, 3 for this side, 3 for the side. And the power supply, the filter for the output is like 160 volts, 820 UF, 820 microfarad. And then they have these right here, which says 160 volts, 220 microfarad or 220 UF. As I said, whichever way you want to put it, guys, but you know, it is what it is. That it's the same thing. And that's about it, you know. That's about it for this one. This was a successful repair, and that's it, guys. CNC Electronics sales and repairs, repair and sales, whichever way you want to say it. That's it for this video. But this is a weird amplifier. Never seen one like this before. The name, the circuit board is, yeah, I see it before, but you know, the brand is like, yeah, it's, at first it threw me off. I was like, wow. But you know, and it even matches up when I was looking for some of the scar. When I look at the scar that matches up with it, you know, same layout and everything. So you know, it's, you know, it's regular Korean circuit board, so you know, it's gonna look the same. It's just the brand that threw me off at first, but you know, everything is like regular Korean amplifier. But guys, that's it for this video. CNC Electronics sales and repairs, you know, repair and sales. Thank you guys for watching, and please hit the bell icon, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and ask me any question whenever you're ready, and I'll answer it as quick as I can. Okay, thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it.
Hold on.